Share to Telegram. Okay. Let's start with Mete today.
Hello, I'm done with Thomas G's comments on the process deposit part. I think it will be merged today, and I'm working on the status request and response handler in the networking part right now.
Okay, awesome. You sent me a message requesting some level of help, so I'll address that after the meeting if you still need it.
Yeah, please, it will be awesome for me.
Of course. God's Power is next.
Good day, everyone. Last week, I've been working on the P2P raw tracer functionality. I'm kind of blocked. I would appreciate if I have a call with Thomas to clear up some things, but I just pushed like a boilerplate of what it should look like. And yeah, I'll be working more on that this week.
Okay, cool. We'll get you help on that. Sorry that I asked again. What was the name of the P2P functionality that you were working on?
It has to do with metrics, so raw tracer.
Perfect. Thank you. We'll get you help with that immediately. Yeah, next one is Fernando.
Okay. For my part, I have been working in the SSE container coding. I am finished. I'm doing some refactors, trying to use more function classes and guards. And I think today I am going to push the PR about it.
That's great to hear. I'll take a look at that when you have finished it. Or if you need any help before that, let me know.
Okay.
The next one is Tomas.
Yes, last Friday I finally finished working on fixing the bottleneck we were having in libp2p port. Yeah, it was just for context. It was we were doing requests synchronously, so each time we made a request, it waited for the response before continuing. Yeah, small mistake. After that, I started working on fixing the timeout. The store does after a while. It is because of processing blocks, I think, and also made some small PRs on the side. Today, I'm gonna continue working on that timeout in the store. That's all.
Awesome. I was just talking with Martin about that timeout. We were talking for like maybe 5 minutes on it, and there are like, probably multiple causes on that. I think that one of the things that could be happening was something that we already were dealing with, which is that sometimes we add or get full block store states directly from the Gen server, and the amount of data that gets passed in the inbox might be very high. I don't know if that's the case, but I think that in any case, we definitely should try to avoid that. And every time that we request information from a block or from a state, we probably should go to the database directly instead of having it sent over the Gen servers. I don't know if that's the main cause of the issue. Probably not. I think that we should. Yeah.
Yeah, I will try to. I'm trying to profile it to see where's the bottleneck. I
Nice.
doubt it's just the block because it's like I add some prints and let it run, and you have lots of calls to other functions of the Shin server, and once you get a non-block notification, it just dies and starts giving timeouts.
Yeah, Martin mentioned something like that. That's definitely a bug somewhere. So yeah, let's try to get that fixed. But thank you for the update. What else? Yeah, Martin.
Yeah, so on Friday I was doing a bit of everything, create some tickets. Also, I was looking into this issue with the timeout as well. So yeah, mostly that.
That's awesome. Thank you, Akash.
I was working on the beacon blocks by root issue. I've implemented the handler function, but I'm not able to run the spec tests. I get some error that protobuf is not installed, and also an error that Golang version 1.2.1 is not installed, but I installed it multiple times, but I still keep getting the same error.
Okay, yeah, we'll help you debug that today. So I'm taking notes that we need to help God's Power with the lip2p issue. We need to help Mete, and we need to help you with the Golang issue, which is one of those versioning issues that we all like and love. But we'll definitely get you help on that today. Thanks for the update. Also, yeah, I think that I'm the only one missing. I don't have many updates because I was on vacation last week, so I'm basically catching up today. I will try to get Mete some help as soon as possible, and afterwards I will just catch up with how everyone is doing and how the general progress is. And after that, I will just choose some task. Probably I will organize the first workshop, and we'll have one of those every week. We still haven't started them, but as soon as we start them, we'll have one each week so that we can take advantage of our time in the bootcamp. And I think that's it. I will send a poll today to see what's the best time so that everyone can go. Yep, I don't have any more updates. I'm just catching up for today. Do we have any final comments or questions? I'll take the silence as a no. Yeah, thank you all for joining in today's daily, and see you all tomorrow.